Pinatunayan naman ng team captain ng UP Fighting Maroons na kahit anong laki ng naghihintay sa kanyang basketball career, hindi nito matutumbasan ang responsibilidad ng pagiging isang ama. Balitang hatid ni Chino Trinidad.
Sigurado na sanang patungong professional basketball ang karir ng kapitan ng UP men's basketball team na si JR Galarza. Pero sadya raw may mga bagay na mas mahalaga kesa sa basketball.
I like to think that, yeah, there's life outside of basketball, and right now my life outside of basketball is my son.
Naniniwala si JR nang isinasara niyang pinto para sa pro basketball, pakikinabangan ng mga kasabay niyang ang habol ay isang professional basketball career.
But when I see the fire in their eyes when they play, or if I'm playing against someone, that it's clearly either I'm going to make it to the pros or my family is going to starve. It makes the game so much more beautiful and competitive.
At kung tila naging madali man daw ang desisyon ni JR na talikuran ang promising professional basketball career, ito raw ay dahil na rin sa paghahandang ginawa ng kanyang mga magulang.
My dad would always just pound that into my brain that, no, tomorrow isn't guaranteed for you as a basketball player or even in life. Just make the most out of every day.
Pero bago lisanin ni JR ang UP campus sa pagtatapos ng kanyang collegiate career, may isa raw pala isipan mula sa kanyang nasaksihan sa dinaranas ng ating mga kapatid na lumads na minsan na niyang nakasama sa UP campus. Ang nakita raw ni JR ang maaaring maging susi sa problema.
It's got to really start with your mindset. I rather change the way I think and help influence other people so that they may feel the same type of compassion to reach out.
Chino Trinidad, GMA News.